Hello Sakshi, hello Shreyash. How's going? It's already 6:30. Hello. Hello Sakshi, are you there? Yes. Shreyas, are you there, guys? Yes, okay. Okay, we will start in 3 minutes. We will wait for the 3 minutes to join others to join, and then we will start with our project. Are you ready? Are you ready, guys, for today's session? We are going to build our portfolio project, which will be very, we can say, useful for you rather than just making your resume. You can have your portfolio and link it to your resume. That this will show that you have made a project for the portfolio and you are experienced, that you can build your own we can say अपना मटेरियल यूज करके आप कुछ खुद से बना सकते हो, right? So we are going to build portfolio project today. I audible clearly? Yes, guys. Am I audible clearly? Yes, okay. So let's just start. for the today's session. Others will join. They will start. Okay, because we are going to have a project, and this will take 2 hours long. So just let me share my screen. Okay. Screen visible? Is visible? Okay, so guys, here I have uploaded some essentials for the today's project, that are the assets we are going to have in our project. So I have just uploaded it, and you have to do, what you have to do is just go in this folder and copy that all material and paste it in our folder that you are going to use to make a project. Okay, so let me just have a look what we are going to build. So this is my portfolio. So we are going to make this website. Okay, so all the animations you can see here. Here is the navigation bar, and all this material I have included in my portfolio. This is my education. So this is my technology stack. These are the some transitions we will going to have in our project. So here are some projects. So these are very nice and very advanced transitions which we are going to learn and build. So this is the footer, and you can see guys, when I hover on this link, it's showing me some transition. It is really great, है ना? You can see if I hover on this image, it will show me a top button, and if I click on this top, it is going to the upward, right? So here it is. If I contact, then it is. So this project is, we are going to make this project. Are you exciting, guys, to make this project? Okay. So are you exciting, guys, to make this project? Yes, yes. Say yes or no. You were very responsive yesterday. Yeah, the day yesterday. Why not today? There's just some replies coming. Right, right. Okay. Uh, yes. Let me just start our Visual Studio. Okay. Um, right. So now let me just start Visual Studio. You guys also do along with me. So after starting my Visual Studio, I am getting this window, which is already I have opened. So I will open a new folder, which I have created now. That is day 3 in our bootcamp folder. Okay. So where is the bootcamp? Yes. So this day 3 folder I am going to open. Okay. Till now there is nothing in this folder. There is no file in this folder. So we will just creating a one file, that is the index.html. Okay. So let's just start. Okay, let's just start. Don't waste the time and just start with our project. Okay. So firstly, I have this title. What should I give to title of? Let's give our name only. Okay. Let's just give first name. In this, so here we can see. Okay. When I inspect this, what I am able to see is there are some sections in this project, right? So what is the first section is, I have this navigation bar. If I hover onto this, so this is what I have, a navigation bar of one name of my name, and then we have some links. Okay, links there. So let's just start with our navigation bar. So for that, we have a section, name it as a class name, उसको नाम देते कि about me. Okay, hit enter, and in this I have a nav, which have a navigation bar. Okay, so in this, let me just split my screen into two parts, and second part will be this. Okay, okay, so now so now what I am able to see is this is my section, and I have a one container in that which will contains the my navigation bar. So this container's name is nav bar div. Okay, so in this we have a navigation bar. Let's just start with the division of name nav bar div. Okay, so it indicates that I have created a division called nav bar division. So in this we have nav. Okay, let me just cut this and paste over here. So after creating a nav, what I have is my division of personal logger, which have my name in it. Okay, so let's just create this division of personal logger. So in this I have my name. Okay, so after that what I have in navigation bar is what I have is unordered list is there, education skills, these are all the links, and which is in unordered. Okay, I have used this unordered tag for this, so let's just create that tag. So ul dot, why I'm giving a dot, to give a class name to it. Okay, nav link list. Okay, nav link list. So this is creating a unordered list for me, and in that list I have a li tag contains the anchor tag with the uh, class name of link items. Okay, link items. So okay, let me just give you a shortcut, guys. A tag. Okay, so give the name of a link items into 4, because I have these 4 links. Okay, so it will create the 4 anchor tag for me. Okay, have you understood this, how I have created this shortcut? I have used that shortcut. Okay, so inside that what I have is, inside that what I have, okay, just a name inside it. Okay, give just name of education. So let me just start my live server so we can see the changes. Yes. Okay. My portfolio. Let me copy this and paste it here. Okay. So education spelling is wrong here. So education, and what I have second is skills. Then I have a projects, and then I have a contact button. Okay. So if I save this, what I can see is these have created the links for me. Okay, these have created a links for me. I have made a one mistake here, is inside this link item I have this only one anchor. Okay, inside this link item, I have only one item. Okay, let me just cut this and paste over here. Okay, so you can see, let me just have light tag. Paste. Sorry. When I hit enter, what it has created the 4 links for me, but I don't want it. So you can see here what is, they don't have this circle for it. So how I can make this? Let's just create our CSS file first. Give that name of CSS styles.css, and inside that I have a one contains for you guys, which will be, I'm just copy pasting some code so we can go fast without wasting our time. So let me just open with the VS Code so that I can have that code. So sorry, I want this style file I want. I don't want this HTML file. So inside that style for tag, I am just copying this content, only this content, and I'm pasting here. I'll give this code to you. We are not going to copy anything rather than this. So I'm just giving this code to you. So you can also copy paste it. I have given to you. Share the drive link. Okay. Drive link. Link. Team, please share the drive link with them. So just copy this code and paste it in your style.css. Okay, just paste it in our style.css. So, okay, paste it and save it. And I don't want cursors for my list. So what I can do is, I have a list tag, and I have a property of text decoration should be none. So it will remove the dots for me. Sorry, for anchor tag, for anchor tag. Uh, let's just inspect this page. Let's just inspect this page. So guys, I'm giving my portfolio link to you, so you can also inspect along with me. Giving the link to you where our webinar is. So this is the link. Oh, sorry. What I have given to you. Sorry. This is the wrong link. So copy and paste. So this is the link. So you can also inspect along with me. So let's just inspect this, and what we do is just go. Let's see what the elements are there. So there is a class of link items. Okay, there is a class of link items. Why this is not work for me? Just because I have a class for it, and I can use that class to style my contents, right? To have a CSS. So I have the text decoration should be none. If I save this, uh, you can see the difference. Why it is not loading? Why it is so? Let's clear one time again. What is going to happen? Mm, here we have a nav. So text decoration will be none for the all anchor tags. And sorry, li. Uh, sorry, this is not the correct. I think so. Text. What we can say? Style type. Style. List style type. List type. Style type should be none. So this may this work, yeah. List style should be none for all the list tags I have here. Let's just refresh. This is not going to happen. So let's just quickly go ahead. We will cover this. We will surely. And let's just go ahead with our code. What is next in? So in this nav bar, what we have again, the properties called, okay, this nav bar here. And inside that nav bar, we have a personal logger. Let's just copy this personal logger class and style this. Okay, so I'm giving a navigation. So while sharing this, you will get to know what I'm trying to do. So personal logger font size will be font size 32 pixel. So color would be #0630, sorry, 6030B1. So this will be the color of our personal logger. I think I'm open the long link. It is correct link. It is not. Okay, so I have and margin. Why it is not giving me a correct output? Why is it so? Hmm, what is happening here? So let's just uh, give the font size of 40 pixel. Let's see. It is not going to work. What should happen? What is happening here? Hmm. Okay, this Nava division. Uh, padding of give the padding left should be 200 pixel. It is not showing the correct output. Why? Guys, uh, tell me why it is not showing the correct output. I'm stuck between कौन सा सिलेक्टर गलत है. ओके सिलेक्टर गलत है. कौन सा वो भी बता दो. Link this. Okay, link the CSS file. I'm so sorry, guys. Link CSS. Okay, now thank you so much. Thank you so much. Is my Let me just again open with the live server. Now you can see it has created this for me. Okay, let's just remove the I have written here, and this size should be 24 px only. This margin should be 0 and 12 from left to right. And let's just now you can see what I have written here, the list type none, so that all the list items should don't have that cursor with them. Okay, understood this. Now just go with our website and see what is the next here. So let's just make this font a so font weight will be bold. So it is now there. And what about the this unordered link? Unordered link will be displayed as a flex, and inside that link I have the list items. So about that list items, what I have to do is it should be in the like a flex. So as we know, they are in the another line of each other. So I want them in a row. So what I can do is just have this nav link list and paste here. So every time I have to let me just split this. Okay, so I can simultaneously write both codes. So dot this and display it as a flex. Okay, display it as a flex. So now you can see these have displayed as a flex. Let's just move ahead. Our nav link items na link items are there, link items. So this will be link items will be of margin 0 and 12 px. So it will go, so it will have a space between them. Okay, so 12 px from the left to right. Then I want this to be in flex direction, should be row reverse. So what can I have? Okay, I don't want this. What we can do is I want this to be in a so just have these it is id, so it is the id about me. So let's just have that id about me, and inside that width should be 100%. So it will acquire the whole width of the device. And after that I have this sorry. Okay, link will be text decoration should be none. We have already done with that. So color should be black for them, 2424. So it is the black, and the font weight will be 700. Okay, so font weight will be 700. What we can see is now they are in bold, so little bit bold. I want this to be in a one line. What I have to do is just target this class, which class, uh, division of nav bar div. And so let's just navbar div, copy, paste, and have a height of have a height of, we can say, 100 px, and background color will be this, and top will be 0. So now you can see nothing has happened here. I want this to be in the one line. Displayed linked list. What I have missed is, okay, I have missed this nav bar. So what we have is nav. Here you can see we have the nav tag. So I'm just giving a styling to my nav bar, is giving the height of 100 px and width of 100%, so that it will acquire the whole width of the browser. Then max width will be 100 px, to give them a alignment. Okay, and I want this to be in a center. So what I can do is, margin will be 0 auto. So it is going in the center. So right, and displayed it as a flex will be display it as a flex. So this will go in up one after another. Okay, and I wanted to give a justify content. So space around, space between them. Okay, space around them, we can say space around them. Now you can see these have done some effects on my websites, and now I want this to be in a, so height of this navigation bar is the 100 px. So I want this whole row in the center of the y-axis. So for that I have a property of align items at the center. So these have created center for me, and after that I should, okay, I should go with the next. What is the next here? Is after that navigation link, we have this contact button as a button structure, right? So we just create one class for it. So named it as a link items primary. So give another name to it. Just copy this and paste it here. डॉट देके पेस्ट करो. फिर मुझे क्या चाहिए कि इसका we can say background color. Okay, background color should be hash of 6030b1. Okay, if I save this, primary का spelling इधर गलत हो गया. So if I save this, link items primary, okay, link item primary, where it is, and giving what we can do is, sorry guys for the inconvenience. Link items, and I want this to happen with this contact button. So firstly I will give padding it from side and 20 pixel from right and left, and Why it is not? Okay, I'm not saving this. Okay, this file. Okay, now it is going to have. Okay, after saving only this will affect. Okay, so I'm giving the padding, and I will give the border radius of 20 px. So it will create a button like structure. I don't want color to be a black. I want color to be a white. So I'm giving a white color to it, and yeah, just this is enough. Okay, I want after going in on hover onto this button, it should changes its color to blue. Okay, so what its color is, we can have that. Let's just, okay, so let me just give an again this class and colon hover. After hovering effect, after I hover onto this button, its background color should changes to, we can say what color we should take, hash 5D something like bluish color is there. FF. So bluish color is there. So now you can see it has changing its colors to blue. But you can see, guys, these are the very sudden effects. So I don't want this. So what I have to do is transitions should be smoother. Okay, it will take 300 milliseconds of time with the ease. So now you can see it is changing very constantly. Means easily it is changing its color. Okay, so now again, let's go ahead. After this, our navigation part has been completed. After that navigation, what we have is, let's just see what we have. We have a division of a about me section. You can see here we have a division of a about me section. Okay, we have a division of, where it has gone. Okay, so what it has, about me container. In container, I have about me info, and another is for the image. Let's just fastly create that. Okay, going into this, I have a division of a flex one. Inside that flex one, I have another division called about me container, about me info. चलो info नाम लेते हैं उसको. About me info. Inside that, what I have is another section called about me info container, and inside that, what I have a one image. So let's just have that image, about me container. I have a figure, h1 tag, p tag, and then division tag. So let's just have that figure. So for that, I have a figure of name image wrapper. So give it name as a image wrapper. Okay, and inside that, I have a image called my pic. Okay, so my pic, and giving it a source. So let me just copy this material. So let's just drag and drop here in the dead tree. Just drag and drop. This is not going to work. Okay, let me just bootcamp. So where it's my So here in day 3, I want my asset folder. So yeah, I have pasted here uh, in this project. Just copy this and paste it here. Okay, now you can see my asset folder has been added to it, and now I can give my image path that is here. I don't image. What I can do is uh, okay, I have that image. I've forgotten. I have that image uh, inside project. So this is my image. Copying it and pasting it again in my folder. Okay, now I have that image. So you can see this has been added to my code. So let's just style my image. I don't want this to be in a that width, so I'm just giving it a width for now. So width should be 100 px. So it is creating this width for me, and now we can do. Let's just target that image. Let's just target that image and about me picture. Uh, let's just give this image wrapper, copy that image wrapper and paste it here, and we will give it as a width of the 100 px, and what the margin should be. So no worry of giving a margin to it right now. And firstly, I have about me info should be a displayed as a flex. So just add it and display it as a flex. So display it as a flex. So let's just have another sections for this. After the image, I have a h2 tag of saying about me title. Okay, about me title. I'm just copying this title and paste it here, and after that I have a one paragraph named as about me Tara. In this paragraph I'm copying this and pasting here. Okay, I'm pasting here, and after this p tag I have a division of about me icons. Okay, about me icon. Why I'm giving a class name like this? Because this is the standard method of giving a class name in CSS, which is known as the BEM, that is block, element, and modifier. First thing is a block, and after, if you have a second word in your class name, then it should be written in a underscore underscore. And if you have a third name in your like this in your class name, then it should be act as a then it should be separated by a hyphen hyphen. So I'm just creating this dot me icons. So in this, what I have is anchor tags with the name of icon, and how many anchor tags I have is 4 anchor tags. So I'm just giving it a 4. Okay, anchor tag with the 4. A of anchor icon into 4. So it is creating a 4 anchor tags for me. Okay, 4 anchor tags for me. And inside that, what I have is this LinkedIn, GitHub, this all the symbols I have. So how I can import that symbols uh, inside my code, है ना? So we have already included this. Have you included this, guys? No, I think we should include that. Mm, okay, let me just open. Let me just open my first project file, and I just have to include that path inside. Okay, let me just open with the Visual Studio, and yeah, this has been included. I just include this link inside my HTML. So after including this HTML, what the HTML is do, that whatever I am going to write here. So let's just focus on this. Whatever I am going to write here inside the anchor tag. So giving it class name, it is now easy for me because I have used this many times. LinkedIn ka spelling. So this has created a LinkedIn icon for me. If you guys are able to see, this has created a LinkedIn icon for me. Are you able to see? No, you are not. So let's just copy this and give some properties to that icon. So its color should be black. Its color should be black. Uh, Giving a margin of 0 auto. So it is now in middle, you can see. And what we can do is, let's just hover on that, we can say, okay, where it is about me icons, and where it is icon, okay, giving a icon of a padding of 0, then font color, font size, and this. Okay, and inside that we have this. I have given this same. Okay, not only one hyphen is there, not two hyphens are there. So it has created a LinkedIn for me. Okay, this icon is here, LinkedIn icon. You can see this, and I'm giving this class uh, padding of what, 8 px from top and bottom, and 12 px from right and left. Okay, so top and bottom should be 0, and left and right should be 16. Okay, so as of now this has created, and I have to increase its size. Should be font size is a 20 px. Okay, so it has created for me, and now let me just copy this and paste it here to have another icons of GitHub, email, and this envelope. So for the GitHub, it has a GitHub. For the email, it has a, I think, envelope. Huh, envelope. And for download, it has a download. Okay, so it has created this for me. This is not a download. These are the I think what it does mean. Okay, it has created a double text for me. Mm, So now envelope is also there. Okay, I want this to be in a middle. So what I have to do is target our parent class. So target our parent class, which is a row, and giving it a width of 100 px. Let's just copy this and paste it in a general form about upward the navigation. So just save this and it will showing me about me info. Okay, another property will be about me info. I have not included it in my. Okay, let me just include it about me info and giving it a display as a flex, and flex direction should be column. Save this and let's just see what is happening. So let's just give this flex one division called a flex one. So this is the property of the flex one just because it tells the browser that whatever I am writing in this division, it should be a only one content is there. So accept it as a one content. Don't give the property of the flex to it. So yeah, and what about this is uh, about me container. So let's just target this container about me container. Mm, about me container. What should it displayed as a flex? Flex direction should be column and align items at the center. Align items at the center, giving a max width of we can say 500 px. We give a 600 px and margin auto for what if I save this work. If I save this work, what it has done is created a flex of the column and aligning the items in a center, max width of the 600 rather than giving a whole width of the container, whole width of the browser. It just uh, restricting it to give a width of the 600 px only. So margin will be 0 and 12 px margin will be auto, so that it will create this type of structure for me. Using a margin auto, it will center it. All the content should be centered. So just give me a second. Here is my laptop charging. And yes. So after that, I should target this about me para. About me para. Inside about me para, what should I have to give is I want the font size of this paragraph should be a 20 px. So yes, it is giving a 20 px and it should be in a line in a center, align text in a center, and I want it margin bottom, so it will divide the links and the paragraph. So 16px की चाहिए मुझे, और I'm just targeting my about me title. Copy about me title, and I'm giving a margin of margin bottom of 20px. So this will creating a gap, and I want okay, this text is in purplish format, right? So what can I do is I just made a strong here, strong tag. Inside that strong tag, I have to write this my name, and giving a strong tag as a class of we can say text purple कर दो उसको purple, and save this and copy this text purple, and including in our CSS, and text it as a purple. So color will be hash Z600330 this 20B1. So it is creating a text purple for me. Okay, now let's just create this item. Okay, so let's just target our image. So image wrapper. So where is my image wrapper? I have included or not? So yes, I have included image wrapper, and just let's just hover onto this and image wrapper, and it has a border radius of 50%. And let's just see what happens here. Overflow should be hidden, and let's just save this. And what happened is it has created some effects for me, and give the height, restrict the height of this content is 100px. So now you can see this has created a circle for me, and now just target this image class, that is my pic. Copy, where is my pic? Okay, I have included. I have to just give a transform it from scale, just because my here you can see my head is, and my head and upper part has very much gap in them. So when I save this, it will shrink my image. Okay, it will shrink my image, zoom in my image. If let me tell you again. So if I comment out this, it has creating a gap, and if I giving, so it has created this effect. So what I want is border shading, box shading, box shadow should be of 0, 8px and 16px, and RGBA values are 0, 0. So what is, so 0, 0, 0, and for this I will give 0.6. Let's just see what happened. So it has created a shadow for me. Okay, let's just give the margin bottom for this container. So just it will separate my name and this. Okay, now just go ahead. What is about this para? Okay, so let's just target this paragraph. Let's just target this paragraph and see what is font size is there. Okay, I have given bottom should be this. So yeah, and why this is in the bold and my text is not in the bold? So this is happened because of let's just give it as a bold where I have written. So paragraph. What we can give? Okay, just increase the font weight of this to 400. 400. Let's just see what happens. Oh, 400, no. 700. So now it is in bold. Okay. Just go ahead with the. So software engineer is also in, you can see, also in the purplish color. So just give this strong class to the, copy this and strong class to this, and just, okay, now you can see software engineer is also in the purplish color. Now we go ahead with our container has been done. So this has been done. After that, I have a one figure. I have a one figure of a class name. What we can give a class name to it. So I will not get confused. About me container. Okay. About me info. About me image container. Okay. Image container. So let's just copy this and let's just add an image early and give the uh, class name of just give a undraw. ठीक है क्योंकि ये undraw से डाउनलोड किया मैंने इमेज गिविंग द सोर्स एड undraw ही नाम होगा इसका सो आई थिंक undraw yes undraw name है let's just target this I have copied that. So let's just target this image first because undraw image will be. So let's just see. It has added the undraw image for me. Okay. And I'm just targeting this undraw class and giving a height of 100 px to it. So 100% we can say 100% and giving a container a margin top of 20 px, so it will be separated from this, and uh, margin auto to be in the center. Okay, and giving this division of icons. So what is the icon division? So division of icons are about me icon class, about me icon, where it is about me icon. So let's just copy this class and paste here, and margin bottom of 28 px, so it will be separated from this. So in this type we have just completed our. So now you can see it has created this for me. I'm just giving this navigation bar 800. So yeah, now it is looking great. Hai. So after that we have, so just have this text as a bold. What is my text is where it is here, the personal logger. Okay, so I think added the personal logger, huh? And the font weight of I can say 700. So now it is in bold. Okay. So afterwards, we have to we have another section called education. So let's just hover on that section and let's see what is inside that section is. So first it has a class of education. Let's just give the class name as a container, and another class will be row, and inside that row we have two sections, engineering and diploma. So let's just create that section fastly. So after closing of this section, I'm creating another section name as a education, and in that education I have a one class of education. We can have another name called container. So I can, why I'm giving a same class names, because I have to reuse that names to style my, है ना, style my contents. So for repeatedly मुझे वो लिखना नहीं पड़ना चाहिए, तो इसलिए मैं row, inside that row we have two divisions of, one is of engineering. So in the engineering what we have is, so row engineering what we have, our H1 tag, H1 tag is there, H2 tag is there, and P tag is there. So let's just have that quickly. Inside the row, we have a section called we have a division called section title, to give a title of this is my uh, education. Okay. And for this education, I want a strong tag. I want a strong tag of a class name of text purple, and let me just complete this strong tag. And if I save this, it has created nothing for me. Because we have not given a, so let's just given a container of so why I'm adding this container to give the padding from top and bottom. Okay, to give the padding from top and bottom. So let's just add in the general section of section. I'm just giving it padding from 50 px top and bottom, and 0 from left and right. Okay, and again I think added this row. Okay, now the section title is there. So for the section title, I have a font size of 24 px, and um, align items at the center. So let's just hover onto this. You can say this skills objects container. Inside that I have section. Let's just, okay. This is the H1 tag actually. This is not a, so I'm giving a H2. So now it has created this section for me. So it is given inside this. Why it is so? Just because what I have made a mistake. Mm, uh, just a second, guys. And what mistake I have made is, so H2 के लिए मेरा टेक्स्ट अलाइन सेंटर होना चाहिए, राइट? तो वो सेंटर में आ गया पर वो नीचे नहीं आ रहा है. गिविंग द एजुकेशन. क्या हुआ इसको. कंटेनर एंड रो. सेक्शन टाइटल. What happened here is after the beginning of this section ID, to that, let's just fix that by taking a class name, section title. सेक्शन को ऐड करने के बाद वो नीचे आना चाहिए. ये सेक्शन होने के बाद I have added that, right? Let's hover onto this. Section title of 24px. So let's just remove that section title. This is creating a problem for me because I have already. Why it is hover onto the image? Image में क्या गड़बड़ की है मैंने? Text purple. इमेज कहाँ पे है? आप बता सकते हो क्या क्या हुआ है? Yes, anyone can tell me. Check all the div tags. Yes, I'm checking that. The div tag is completed here. So div tag का बहुत ज़्यादा problem होता है. So it has been. देखते हैं हम कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम हुआ है. तो ये कंटेनर में मेरे क्या चाहिए कि मुझे एक फिगर चाहिए, फिर h2 टैग, फिर p टैग एंड देन द डिवीजन ऑफ आइकन्स. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दिस डिवीजन I should complete my container and I have opened my figure tag, and this is the row. I am giving a wrong name to it. Okay, so let's just hope for the best. May this may this work for us. Why it is not so? So after this division, the flex division, I have one division. I should not have this. Okay, what is going to happen? So now by division. Okay, so it is there. Can you guys tell me what is happened here? See guys, this happens with us just because we are working on the live project. So this is the normal thing to happen. I'm not pretty sure that I'll complete that in 2 hours. Why it is not giving me a correct? So let's just delete that. Just delete that. Just delete and create another, that is h1 tag, h2 tag with the class of section title, and give it a, this is my education. Okay, This is still going to be here. Why is it so? So something is in style. Border box after this section. So this should not. Okay. So margin should be रो टैग को करते हैं रो को और देखते कि उसका मार्जिन नहीं दिए उसको ठीक है तो what is happening I don't want this to be here engineering what should we do guys so let's just move ahead with the we can say this section that is the class name branch name CGPA and all those things so let's just create in engineering we have uh, college college inside that I have a college name of let me just copy this paste it here and after that I have a let's hover onto this so this is the h2 tag h2 okay so h2 tag से कुछ हो रहा है क्या इसको so let's just give a h1 tag h1 tag also created here so h1 tag में कुछ गड़बड़ है मैंने क्या किया है h1 tag में h1 tag के लिए टेक्स्ट अलाइन ओके नहीं 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 इसका जो let's just over onto this education section then education class okay so we should give the padding for our container okay so this I have already done but just give container which what is our container is education let's just give another class name as education and let me copy this save and in the education what I have what properties I have to give is padding 60 from bottom left display as a flex so flex is very important concept so it will not jump into another sections another elements so text alignment should be centered margin 0 auto margin 0 auto basically centers the element okay centers the element I'm not getting yaar what is it here यहाँ पे कि सब कंटेंट education why it is going into the class of this. What we have messed up. Section तो नहीं है मेरे पास. Section title don't have that. So guys, can you tell me? Can you tell me? For some reason, if we are not going to have this project, you guys can ask me about tomorrow session. So I'll be prepared for this and I'll show you very fluently. I'm just confusing right now. What should I do? क्योंकि 2 घंटे में किसने प्रोजेक्ट किया है क्या आज तक? I didn't have that. एंड ये CSS के वजह से ना सब ये डिवीजन टैग यूज करने के बाद सब मेस्ड अप हो जाता है. एवरीथिंग मेस्ड अप. तो मेरे साथ ये हर बार होता है. बहुत दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है इसको. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. मैंने क्लास के नेम सेम दिए है शायद कौन से तो भी. ये सेक्शन ऊपर के सेक्शन में जा रहा है. Okay, Alex. This division has been done. करे क्या करे अभी. अभी क्या करे. What can I do is let me just see what is happening here. Okay, don't. Okay, now I'm getting what is here. Okay, so I'm giving this as a class name, as a title. I should not give this. Not getting what. Just 1 second. Okay, let me just hover into this. So we just fix this guy. You will at least learn about how to fix that contents which is not fitting in their size. Okay, so let me just clear this section once. Let me just clear this section and see what is happening here. So it is all right now. Okay, it is all right now, and I'm closing. Okay, so okay, I'm just saving it, and let's just see what is there. So it has messed up something for me. Has messed up. So I'm leaving the container. Okay, because of I'm giving this width, it is going to happen here, I think. So if I'm giving a minimum height of this, and for displayed it as a flex, and flex direction should be column. Okay, now it should work for me. Now it should work for me. So if I'm going to have a section called, we can say education section ID. So I'm giving a hash for ID, and I'm having a section of a, we can say education, and inside that I have a one row, and inside that I have a division called engineering. So engineering, and inside that I have a division called a section title, and I'm giving a title to this is my education. So I think this is going to work for me. So this is created here now. What is happening, yeah? So let's just give this as a H2. Uh, because of this section, I think, okay, displayed it as a flex. Just wait a minute, guys. So guys, I'm not able to solve that error. Why is it so? I don't know, because I have created all things very correctly, and this is going wrong way. I'm not sure what is going to happen here. So as you can see, I have uploaded this website on my. Let's see this. It is not using something the common domain, which is the 1270. So I have hosted this website on named website called triple three web host. So I'm just giving you an idea how. So this project I have been created, uh, I think 6 months ago, and now I'm not able to recreate it, just because I have created this project within, I think, 10 to 12 days, and I was the beginner for the CSS, and that's why I'm not pretty sure what is going to happen here. And जब आप ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे ना इस चीज की, तब आपको समझ आएगा. मैंने ये प्रोजेक्ट 2 दिन पहले देखा कि ये है, हम ये कर सकते हैं, जब पता चला कि ऐसे ऐसे बूट कैंप लेना है, और उस पे मैंने जस्ट देखा था कि क्या क्या होगा इसमें, कंटेंट्स क्या होंगे, पर I forgotten about what the consequences I faced during I was created this project for the first time. So this should not happen with you guys. You should have a clear picture of what you are going to have, and using CSS and HTML is bit tricky to create a website. Because of this div tags create some lot mess for you, and even if you forgotten to um, complete one div tag, other tags, so it will overlap each other. So I think this happened here. I have forgotten to correctly close that div tag, or something else is there. I don't know what is this. I'm not able to fix. I have searched everything, I have looked for everything that is section has completed here, and another section is started over after the section is over. So this is not working for me. So what I was telling you guys that uh, I have uploaded that site on the named as www web host. So here you can host your website for free. Okay, and this is the website. It is the free to hosting your website, and it just asks you for the login. So login. It I was in the another. I think I was in another. Yes. So I was using the Firefox for that. So I will be use Firefox web host. 000 web host named website. Okay. So in that, uh, so web host, I have uploaded my website. So I will tell you how to upload a website on the web host. So let's just let it start. Sign it. Sign in. So this is loading. As you can see, this is my website. I have uploaded this on the 333 web host. So what you have to do is, okay, mm, okay. This is not going further. Just know my history. It is asking for me a premium version. How can I tell you that how to add a new site? Okay, add a new site. I can only add one website here. So as of I'm using a free version of how I can delete my first and mm, how can I delete my first? Okay, let me just see what here. मैंने क्रिएट तो कर दी, अभी उसको डिलीट कैसे करूं? जैसे कि मुझे आपको दिखाना है अनदर वेबसाइट कैसे करे, तो इसको स्टॉप करने के लिए मैनेज वेबसाइट. ओके. Let me just see, Google it. Free domain hosting. I'm logging in from another account so that I can tell you. So firstly, I was in this account. Let me use this account. So after signing in, you can see this. Okay, you can see this page, and let's create pick click करना है. फिर what would you like to do, learn, development, or we select others, and I'm skipping this. So website name optional है, तो मैं directly करती हूँ. तो ये लोड होता है, तब तक हम आपके कुछ डाउट है क्या? Okay. So after this, here it is giving you three options. So we will select the last option, that is upload your site. Okay. So select that, upload your site. Okay. And firstly, I have this public account. I should delete this. So what I have done is I went into the public HTML, and whatever the file is in, it was in, I deleted that file, and now I have here the upload files option. So I'm just clicking on the select files, and I can now upload these files. I cannot upload the asset folder, because this website is not going to accept the folders. It just accept the files. Okay. So upload these files. This file has been uploaded, and then now if I go to this site, upload list, I go to that upload list. I have not included the assets folder, that all the stuff of our images I have not uploaded yet. But see what our website is showing us. Okay, without our files, without our क्या बोलते हैं उसको, images, how our website is looking. So as you can see, without the pictures, now my website is looking like this. Looking like this. So when I again go here, upload files, and I upload all the assets from here. I'll select Control A to upload all the assets, and upload option. So after that, I'll refresh my page. But still it is not showing me a correct output. Why it is not? Because I have created this in asset folder, and now my index HTML has a path of the asset within it. So I'm just finding dot assets, and this I'll select all, and I'll just replace I think I have. Mm, okay. I'm giving us all file names correctly. Still, it is not showing me. Okay, let me just add one again. That is my pick. It was remaining. So upload this. Mm, When I reload my page, it should show me a correct output. Yeah, please. हाँ. Now it is showing me a correct output. जस्ट आपको क्या करना है, ये जो 333 वेब होस्ट जो वेबसाइट है वो होस्ट करती है अपनी वेब अपनी अपना प्रोजेक्ट एज ए उनके डोमेन पे, पर वो सिर्फ एक फाइल फॉर्मेट में आपकी फाइल्स एक्सेप्ट करती है। आप इसमें फोल्डर नहीं ऐड कर सकते हो, जैसे कि मेरा सब इमेज वगैरह फाइल जो भी पिक्चर्स थे वो सब एसेट्स फोल्डर में थे और मुझे वो अपलोड करने थे, तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ा कि एसेट फोल्डर में जाके वो सारी फाइल्स एक साथ अपलोड करनी पड़ी। उससे क्या हुआ कि जो मेरा index.html है उसमें मैंने जो हम इमेज टैग के लिए जो सोर्स का वैल्यू देते हैं जो इधर होता है python.png, you can see that, and it was before like assets, and this was the path of the file, but I am uploading separate files, so I don't have this asset folder with me. So I was just clearing these assets and saving it, and now we can see this website. So website is looking like this. This was the great project to do, but my bad, we are not able to do this project. So I'll upload the code for same on the drive link. So you will have that. And if you have any queries, guys, any queries about anything, you can ask me. We will solve that. यस, साथ में मिलके वो सॉल्व करेंगे। ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं एक्सपर्ट हूँ इसमें जो आता था ये सिखाया, और लाइव प्रोजेक्ट कभी किया नहीं है, तो वो एक डर होता है कि आपके सामने मैं कैसे प्रेजेंट करूँ, तो इसलिए वो आगे पीछे हो गया कुछ। और जो प्रोजेक्ट है सीएसएस में करने के लिए वो ऐसे शांत बैठ के करना चाहिए। और अब भी मेरे दिमाग में एक साइड में ये चालू है कि आपको कुछ गलत लग रहा होगा, आपको कुछ लग रहा होगा कि नहीं आता है इनको, तो वो एक डर है। तो इसके वजह से शायद मैं सोच नहीं पा रही हूँ जो सोचना चाहिए था। सॉरी फॉर दैट। सो यू होप यू गाइज अंडरस्टैंड दिस। दिस इज कॉमन विद among the developers. Yes, when yes, I have got the experience of live project. So कैसे करना है लाइव प्रोजेक्ट, हम कैसे करते हैं जब अकेले बैठ के प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं ना, तो कुछ भी गलती हो जाए हम बैठ के सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, लाइक शांत दिमाग से सोच के सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। बट नाउ आई एम डूइंग दिस लाइव इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, सो आई हैव दैट फियर, like someone is watching me, someone have a eye on my project. So this happened to me. Sorry for the inconvenience. So sorry, so sorry. I मैंने बहुत सोचा था कि ये वेबसाइट अच्छी है, आपको इतना सीखने मिलेगा। जो होवर इफेक्ट से आपको बेसिक सीखने मिला क्या, कि मैंने ये बटन का होवर इफेक्ट कैसे किया, आपको सीखने मिला क्या ये बटन का होवर इफेक्ट हमने किया था। तो क्या करना है कि बटन की क्लास को सिर्फ ले लो। वो बटन का क्लास कौन सा था, प्राइमरी था, वो अबाउट मी प्राइमरी के लिंक थी वो, वेयर इट इज, प्राइमरी प्राइमरी प्राइमरी, ओके यस। This is the buttons class. I'm showing this to you. ओके सो बटन कहाँ पे गया वो कॉन्टेक्ट वाला हाँ तो इसमें मैंने क्या किया एंकर को एक सेपरेट क्लास दे दिया कि लिंक आइटम्स प्राइमरी और इसको सीएसएस में ऐड किया उसको सम फीचर्स दिए कि ये बाकी एंकर टैग से अलग होना चाहिए इसको बैकग्राउंड कलर उसका ये होना चाहिए फिर वो कॉम्प्राइज होना चाहिए पैडिंग में लाइक इधर से 20 px और ऊपर से 8 px उसकी पैडिंग मिल गई उनको सो ये कॉन्टैक्ट जो बीच में का एलिमेंट है ना जो टेक्स्ट वो अच्छे से उस कंटेनर में फिट हो जाए ये पैडिंग की वजह से ये फिट हो रहा है 8 px फ्रॉम टॉप एंड बॉटम एंड 20 px फ्रॉम लेफ्ट एंड राइट एंड बॉर्डर रेडियस बेसिकली क्या करता है कि कर्व इफेक्ट देता है अपने हाँ ये है एक्चुअली वो दिस वाज अनदर ओके सो कर्व इफेक्ट देता है if I have removed this border radius and now I am saving again. So you can see border effect देता है so curve effect देता है border radius और इसका text color होना चाहिए white और जो transitions क्यों देते हैं हम अगर मैं इसको comment out कर दूं और मैं जब होवर करती हूँ अभी पहले होवर का बताती हूँ आपको क्या होता है कि मैं जब इस बटन पे और एंकर टैग पे जाऊं तो मुझे क्या चाहिए कि इसका बैकग्राउंड कलर चेंज होना चाहिए और ये मुझे ब्लिंक टाइप दिखना चाहिए कि कुछ तो अलग किया है ट्रांजिशन दी है तो इसके लिए होता है होवर इफेक्ट हम कैसे देते हैं कि क्लास को टारगेट करना है और कोलन देके होवर लिखना है जैसे कि मैं इस पे जाऊंगी तो मुझे ये इफेक्ट चाहिए और फिर क्या करना है मुझे इसका मैं जब होवर करूंगी इसका बैकग्राउंड कलर चेंज होना चाहिए सो इसका बैकग्राउंड कलर तो चेंज हो गया पर मैं जब होवर करती हूँ ये सडनली मुझे कलर चेंज करता है पर मुझे एक गैप चाहिए उसमें टाइम लिमिट चाहिए टाइम गैप चाहिए तो मैं इसके लिए एक ट्रांजिशन नाम की प्रॉपर्टी होती है सो ट्रांजिशन दूंगी फॉर ऑल साइड 300 ms एंड विद द ईज so now we can see this is taking some time and showing me a background color changing, right? So this is the hover effect, transitions in the CSS. Again, which is the, so yeah, and someone has asked me about why we use the divisions. Okay, so let me just inspect on this. So forget about the incomplete project now. आई एम वेरी मुझे बहुत शर्मिंदी हो रही है कि मैं प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट नहीं कर पा रही हूँ ओके इनसाइड दिस ओके गाइस मुझे समझ आया ये क्या हुआ है आई डोंट वांट अनदर ओके ओके ये समझ आया क्या हुआ है कहाँ पे गया वो अभी भी मेरे दिमाग में वही चालू है कि मैं क्या ऐड कर सकती हूँ मैं क्या चेंजेस कर सकती हूँ समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं किधर उंगली मारी हूँ यार तो मुझे क्या दिखाना था आपको कि हाँ डिविजन्स कैसे करते हैं कि मेरा एक सेक्शन है राइट मेरा एक सेक्शन है अबाउट मी का उसमें उसमें क्या होगा कि उसमें मेरे मेरे पास सो सेक्शंस बेसिकली फॉर making the horizontal sections in the web pages and division is for making a blocks so inside this division what I have is basically I have a navigation bar and secondly I have a this info about me info so I'm just giving inspect on my original website वो खराब हो गई है वेबसाइट उस पर कुछ इंस्पेक्ट करके मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि मैंने क्या ही किया है उसमें सो जब मैं अबाउट मी सेक्शन में जाऊंगी राइट पहला मेरा क्या है अबाउट मी सेक्शन है तो मैं जब अबाउट मी सेक्शन में जाऊंगी तो ये क्रिएटेड अ डिफरेंट सेक्शन फॉर मी सो अबाउट मी सेक्शन में तो ये इतना है अबाउट मी सेक्शन ये इमेज के इमेज तक मेरा अबाउट मी सेक्शन है। उसके बाद मेरा कौन सा सेक्शन है, लेट जस्ट यस, उसके बाद मेरा एजुकेशन सेक्शन है। एजुकेशन सेक्शन कहाँ पे खत्म होता है, यहाँ पे खत्म होता है एजुकेशन सेक्शन। एज यू कैन सी आई एम होवरिंग ऑन दिस एंड इट विल शोविंग मी इन अ ब्लू कलर। सो एजुकेशन सेक्शन यहाँ पे एंड होता है। तो मेरे पास अनदर सेक्शन है स्किल्स नाम का। उसमें मैंने क्या किया है कि मेरे लैंग्वेजेस जो मुझे आते हैं वो ऐड किए। वो सब कहाँ पे खत्म हुए, वो सेक्शन यहाँ पे खत्म हुए। और उसके बाद मेरे पास प्रोजेक्ट का सेक्शन है। उस वो सेक्शन है जो ओके तो मैं आपको डिविजन्स बताती हूँ कैसे होता है। लेट जस्ट टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ या सो स्किल सेक्शंस जो मैंने ये टेक्नोलॉजी स्टैक है मेरा, उस पे होवर करते हैं। सो आई हैव अ कंटेनर, सो टू फिट ऑल द कंटेंट्स इनसाइड इट आई हैव अ कंटेनर एज अ div tag। फिर उसके बाद मेरे पास एक अनादर डिवीजन है जो मेरा रो सेट करेगा। एज यू कैन सी कंटेनर गिविंग अ पैडिंग फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम। जो ग्रीन में दिख रहा है ना आपको, वो पैडिंग होती है, राइट। सो हियर यू कैन सी द पैडिंग ऑफ 50 px फ्रॉम टॉप एंड बॉटम। एंड रो के लिए मैंने दो डिविजन क्यों यूज की है, क्योंकि मेरे पास आप देख रहे हो कि 4 सेक्शन है, राइट। पर मुझे हर बार अलग अलग पैडिंग देनी पड़ रही है। तो मैंने क्या किया, कंटेनर एंड रो सबके लिए कॉमन रख दिया। कंटेनर फॉर पैडिंग फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम, टॉप एंड बॉटम के लिए पैडिंग देने के लिए, और रो फॉर लेफ्ट एंड राइट। सो हियर यू कैन सी गिविंग अ पैडिंग फ्रॉम left and right and inside that division. So in the row, what I have in row, inside that row I have the section title. So ये section title ने गड़बड़ की थी हमारी, right। ये section tag कहीं पे भी जाके फिट हो रहा था, वो image के नीचे जाके फिट हो रहा था, क्यों I don't know। I'll fix that today only। एंड जब कैसा होता है ना कि आप जब कोई प्रोजेक्ट करते हो ना, तो आपको नींद भी नहीं आती है, पता है क्या, कि जब तक वो कंप्लीट ना हो जाए ना, आपके दिमाग में वही वही चालू होता है। तो मेरे दिमाग में है अभी वही चालू, क्या करे अब। सॉरी, बहुत गंदा लग रहा है यार मुझे। हाँ तो मैं कहा थी, हम्म, हाँ तो हमारे पास वो रो में क्या है कि टाइटल है सेक्शन का। उसमें क्या है कि दिस इज माय टेक्नोलॉजी स्टैक। उसके बाद रो वाइज मैंने उसको डिवाइड किया है, राइट। इस रो को फिर अब हम देखते हैं कि हमने उसको फ्लेक्स कैसे ऐड किए, राइट। सो फ्लेक्स कैसे ऐड करते हैं, सो फ्लेक्स क्यों ऐड करते हैं तो हियर inside this row I have this h1 tag for the technology stack। then after that I have a division of another division, right। मुझे सब लैंग्वेजेस मेरे एक साथ रखने के लिए मुझे लिस्ट चाहिए, राइट। सो दैट आई हैव यूज्ड दिस लैंग्वेज लिस्ट डिवीजन। एक डिवीजन करनी है मुझे, लैंग्वेज लिस्ट है उसमें। और उसमें जो मेरे मेरे 6 लैंग्वेजेस है, तो मैंने 6 अलग अलग डिविजन्स बनाए, 6 अलग अलग ब्लॉक्स बनाए। और उस मेन ब्लॉक का पैरेंट, वो सब ब्लॉक्स का पैरेंट कौन है, लैंग्वेजेस लिस्ट। सो दिस लैंग्वेजेस लिस्ट डिविजन विल बी एक्ट एज अ पैरेंट फॉर दिस डिविजन क्लासेस, राइट। सो if I if you can see guys, I have created this as a display as a flex। डिस्प्ले एज अ फ्लेक्स क्यों किया है, क्योंकि जब मैंने ये नहीं दिया होता, राइट, ये नहीं दिया होता डिस्प्ले एज अ फ्लेक्स, तो ये सब टेक्नोलॉजी स्टैक मेरे एक दूसरे के नीचे आएंगे। हमने कल सीखा फ्लेक्स क्यों होता है, कि फ्लेक्स जो मेरा डिवीजन है, जो ब्लॉक आइटम जैसे ब्लॉक बॉक्स कंटेंट जैसे बिहेव कर रहा है, राइट। सो ये पूरी विड्थ ले रहा है अपने ब्राउजर की, पर मुझे ये एज अ फ्लेक्स एज अ इनलाइन एलिमेंट शो होना चाहिए, इनलाइन एलिमेंट शो होना चाहिए। ये पहले बॉक्स एलिमेंट था, तो मैंने इसके लिए फ्लेक्स यूज किया, राइट। एंड इफ यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस हियर नाउ, मैं यहाँ यही से सिखा हूँ आपको। चलो, मुझे कुछ तो मिल गया, कुछ तो खुशी होगी, मैंने आपको सिखा दिया। ओके, तो मैंने क्या किया, इसको डिस्प्ले एज अ फ्लेक्स कर दिया, पर इसने क्या किया, 6 की 6 मेरे आइटम्स एक ही रो में प्रिंट कर दिए। तो ये कुछ अलग दिख रहा है ना, वो मतलब अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है कि रो में आ गया, पर मुझे क्या चाहिए कि मेरे 6 है ना, तो मेरे 3 3 में डिवाइड होने चाहिए। तो मैंने क्या किया, फ्लेक्स को रैप कर दिया। ओके, फ्लेक्स को रैप कर दिया, तो वो क्या हो गया, उसने अपनी अपनी जगह एकोमोडेट कर ली। वो रैपिंग क्यों हुई है वो अगले लिस्ट में दिखेंगी, क्योंकि मैंने ये विड्थ 30% दी है इसकी, राइट। सो ऑल ओवर विड्थ इज आई थिंक 100%, 100%, and I am giving each item a width of the 30%. So it is divided in 3 sections. Okay. Let's just hover on the list, and when I give the width of the 100%, yes. So ये इसका parent है, right? ये languages का parent है list. So ये पूरी की पूरी 100% width use करेगा अपने parent की, इसका भी कोई parent होगा, right? तो इसकी 100% width use करेगा. Let's see about one block, right? तो इसमें तो सारे 6 blocks आ गए. अब एक ब्लॉक क्या काम करता है वो देखते हैं. So if I remove this all, okay, if I remove this all, what is going to show? Okay, it is giving me a effect like 4 आ गए एक लाइन में और 2 नीचे आ गए. तो मुझे क्या करना है, सबकी विड्थ से सबको एक लाइन में लाने के लिए मैंने विड्थ दे दी 30% की, बिकॉज ऑल ओवर विड्थ इज 100%. सो 3 में डिवाइड करके मैंने वो 30% दे दी. एंड मार्जिन लेफ्ट कर दिया थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि वो इधर था, वो बीच में नहीं आ रहा था पेज के, तो मैंने उसको मार्जिन लेफ्ट देके राइट हैंड में थोड़ा हटाया. फिर इसको डिस्प्ले एज अ फ्लेक्स किया. डिस्प्ले फ्लेक्स करके मुझे क्या मिला कि मैं इसको अभी क्या होगा कि अगर समझो यहाँ पे ये डिवीजन के बाजू में अगर मेरा कोई और एक डिवीजन है, तो वो इसको ओवरलैप करेगा. जैसा मेरा अभी प्रॉब्लम हुआ वैसे ही प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. तो डिस्प्ले फ्लेक्स इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन टू अवॉइड दैट. तो मैंने वही किया है. कुछ तो भी मैंने डिस्प्ले फ्लेक्स कहीं पे नहीं लिखा है, तो इसकी वजह से वो ओवरलैपिंग हो रही है. सो लेट इट बी. एंड जस्टिफाई कंटेंट एट सेंटर. सो डिस्प्ले फिक्स करने के बाद जस्टिफाई करो सेंटर में आके. सो एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज ऑल गोइंग टू compress in a center. एंड पॉजिटिव रिलेटिव पोजिशन क्यों दी है मैंने, वो आपको बाद में पता चलेगा. तो मैं इसको टिक मार्क कर देती हूँ. और जब अपन हम होवर इफेक्ट देखते हैं, होवर इफेक्ट के बाद क्या होगा, ये ब्लर हो जाए, ये थोड़ा कॉम्प्रेस हो जाएगा, एज यू कैन सी. यस. सो ये कैसे किया मैंने कि मैंने जस्ट लैंग्वेज को ले लिया, राइट. लैंग्वेज को ले लिया, और ये जो लैंग्वेज के बीच में है, लैंग्वेज के बीच में मेरे पास एक फिगर है और उसके बाद उसका नेम है. तो मैंने फिगर को क्या किया, पहले तो फिगर के बारे में देखते हैं कि फिगर को भी वैसे ही सेट किया जैसे, देखो कितने कंटेंट्स है मेरे डिवीजन के अंदर, डिविजन्स के अंदर डिविजन्स. व्हाई वी यूज दैट मच ऑफ div tags टू मेक अवर कंटेंट वी कैन से अच्छे से फिट होने के लिए हम अलग अलग डिविजन यूज करते हैं. पर उसके जो क्लास नेम हम देते हैं, उसके जो प्रॉपर्टीज हम देते हैं, वो बहुत ध्यान से हमको सेट करनी होती है. तो आफ्टर दैट आई हैव द नेम ऑफ द लैंग्वेज. सो हियर आई हैव ओनली गिवन अ पाइथन नेम. सॉरी, मैं वो चेंज करना ही भूल गई थी. ओके. तो ये इमेज है, इसको मैंने फिट कर दिया, राइट. इसको भी डिस्प्ले फ्लेक्स कर दिया. एंड इसका जो चाइल्ड है, चाइल्ड कौन है इसका, ये इमेज है, लैंग्वेज इमेज. तो इसको मैंने फिट कर दिया इसमें. तो इसके जो इफेक्ट्स है, होवर इफेक्ट, सिमिलरली जैसे हमने बटन के वो कॉन्टैक्ट बटन के साथ किया, कॉन्टैक्ट एंकर के साथ किया, वैसे ही इसको करेंगे. कि क्या करना है, पहले ये पेरेंट क्लास लेना है, लैंग्वेज इमेज रैपर. लैंग्वेज इमेज रैपर पे जैसे ही जाएगा, नहीं, हम ये पेरेंट क्लास को लैंग्वेज लेंगे. तो लैंग्वेज पे जैसे ही होवर होगा, तो क्या होनी चाहिए, मेरी इमेज कॉम्प्रेस होनी चाहिए, राइट. कॉम्प्रेक्स इफेक्ट मैंने कैसे दिया है वो आपको बताती हूँ. ट्रांसफॉर्म नाम का एक प्रॉपर्टी होती है, ट्रांसफॉर्म विच एक्सेप्ट अ स्केल ऑफ, वो हमने आई थिंक यहाँ पे यूज की थी ट्रांसफॉर्म स्केल, राइट। तो मैं आपको कोड में दिखाती हूँ, तो कोड में दिखाती हूँ कैसे होता है। So are you listening to me, right? So ये कोड है, तो हम प्रोजेक्ट में जाएंगे जल्दी से। प्रोजेक्ट सॉरी CSS में होता है ना वो, इसका CSS नहीं है मेरे पास। So let's just open the CSS of that. कहाँ पे, okay. इसका CSS ओपन करते हैं। मैं आपको एक 5 मिनट में बताती हूँ कि वो कैसे करते हैं, राइट। लेट जस्ट टारगेट अवर, what was that project, okay. So project wrapper, so project wrapper was the class of our division, and मैंने उसको क्या किया, पोजीशन रिलेटिव कर दी, है ना। और क्या होना चाहिए, प्रोजेक्ट नहीं था ना वो, स्किल्स था, स्किल्स। I think it has a name as language, है ना, लैंग्वेज। तो हाँ, लैंग्वेज इमेज, लैंग्वेज रैपर। सो मेन क्लास वाज लैंग्वेज, ओके। सो इसको मैंने पहले से ही रिलेटिव रखा है, तो आगे जाके कुछ प्रॉब्लम ना हो। सो जो लैंग्वेज का रैपर था, जो एक एक लैंग्वेज को रैप कर रहा था, तो उसको भी मैंने फ्लेक्स कर दिया। और लैंग्वेज जो इमेज है, लैंग्वेज की इमेज, उसको मैंने, उसको भी मैंने फिक्स कर दिया। फिर मैं क्या करूंगी, मुझे इफेक्ट देना है। फिर मैं क्या करूंगी, जो लैंग्वेज का जो डिवीजन है, राइट, लैंग्वेज का डिवीजन मैं आपको बताती हूँ कौन सा है, लैंग्वेज का डिवीजन। सो यस, दिस इज द डिवीजन ऑफ लैंग्वेज। सो मैं जब लैंग्वेज पे होवर करूंगी, मेरी वो क्या होना चाहिए कि मेरी जो लैंग्वेज का इमेज है, जो लैंग्वेज डिवीजन पे मैं होवर करूंगी, लैंग्वेज की जो इमेज है, उसका ब्राइटनेस 80% होना चाहिए, मतलब उसका ब्राइटनेस कम होना चाहिए, राइट। यू कैन सी क्लियरली विद द दिस HTML, है ना, HTML का आइकन पे आपको क्लियर दिखेगा कि ब्राइटनेस लेवल उसकी कम होनी चाहिए। इसके लिए फिल्टर एक नाम का प्रॉपर्टी है, और उसकी ट्रांसफॉर्म स्केल शुड बी 0.9। सो ट्रांसफॉर्म बेसिकली जूम्स इन, जूम्स आउट, सो जूम आउट करता है ये, राइट। तो इसकी आफ्टर अ होवर इफेक्ट दिस शुड हैपन। सो यू कैन गिव द होवर इफेक्ट लाइक दिस, है ना। तो फिर आपको एक बात दिखाती हूँ मैं, राइट। ओके, यू कैन सी, हाँ, इस पे जो ट्रांजिशंस किए मैंने, वो भी इसी तरह से की है, राइट। इसका ब्राइटनेस भी कम कर दिया। इसकी ओपेसिटी, ओपेसिटी नाम का एक वैल्यू होती है, वो उसके बारे में बताती हूँ मैं। ओपेसिटी बेसिकली मीन्स ट्रांसपेरेंसी, राइट। Transparency, what should be the transparency? If we give it value as a 1, so it will be clearly visible. If I give the value in the pointer, that is, if I give the value of 0, it is not visible on the screen. And if I give the value of 0.86 something, so it will be little bit visible, like not wholly visible. So it is less than 1, right. 0.86 is less than 1, so it is not clearly visible. So let's just go in the project section. What I have done is, so ye project, so what is the time? Yes, 8:30 already. So can we guys stop here? Okay, can we stop here, guys? Thank you, Datta. Tomorrow not going to be a session is not there for tomorrow. Session is not there for tomorrow. Okay, आपको एक बात बतानी थी जो कल बाकी थी, राइट। एक इफेक्ट है, राइट। आप ये देख सकते हो मेरा नेविगेशन बार, जब मैं स्क्रॉल अप करती हूँ वो स्टिक रहता है वहीं पे, और जब मेरा वो सेक्शन एंड हो जाता है तो ये disappears. So this has done with the help of sticky, है ना, जो हमने पोजीशन सीखी है रिलेटिव एब्सोल्यूट स्टिकी फिक्स। सो आई हैव डन दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ द स्टिकी। सो मैंने नेविगेशन डिवीजन को टैग किया है यहाँ पे। सो आई कैन गिव एग्जांपल, या राइट, navigation division bar. So I give the position as a sticky to it, so it will be stick to its section until its section is over. Okay, so जब ये section over हो जाएगा, right, ये this was the about me section, and when the education section comes in, it disappears, right? Yeah. So can we stop here? So these are all things I wanted to clear, but somewhat reason, you know that reason why I'm not able to complete that. मेरे टाइम के हिसाब से ना मैंने क्या किया था, एजुकेशन के लिए 20 मिनट्स, स्किल्स के लिए स्किल्स, हाँ, अबाउट मी सेक्शन के लिए 20 मिनट्स, फिर एजुकेशन के लिए 10 मिनट ही काफी हो जाते, पर सेक्शन ही आगे नहीं बढ़ा, क्या होता, क्या होगा। फिर स्किल्स के लिए कुछ नहीं था इतना, तो इसके लिए मैंने 30 मिनट्स रखे थे, प्रोजेक्ट के लिए मैंने थोड़ा ज्यादा रखे थे, दैट इज 40 मिनट्स। सो दिस वॉज माई प्लान बट फेल्ड। Yes, yes. Yes, I'll tell the team that uh, upload all the videos, that is recordings in Drive, because जब लेट हो जाता है ना कौन सा भी वीडियो और रिकॉर्डिंग्स मिलने के लिए, तब तक हमारा इंटरेस्ट भी चला जाता है। तो इसकी वजह से मैं बोलती हूँ उनको कि वो जल्दी से ड्राइव पे ही अपलोड कर दे वो। ठीक है, सो कैन वी स्टॉप हियर? को ये अपलोड कैसी करनी है वेबसाइट वो समझ आया, पर वो 333 वेब होस्ट पे एक ही वेबसाइट एट द टाइम अपलोड होती है। आपको पहली वाली वेबसाइट डिलीट करनी पड़ती है, फिर दूसरी अपलोड करनी पड़ती है, अगर आपको दो करनी होती है। सो रिप्लाई मी, कैन वी स्टॉप हियर? You guys are awesome. I have not seen this before. I'm not, means anyone in this is not able to complete their session, and you still, audience are still supporting that guy, is very great thing. Really respect to you guys. Yes, yes, I'll accept that, no problem. So if you have any queries now guys, this is my mail, you can mail me, or I'll give my Instagram ID to you. I should give or not, I don't know. So this is my email. You can email me. Okay? Don't call me मैम यार। आपको लगता है क्या मैं मैम हूँ? एक प्रोजेक्ट में कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाई, मैम नहीं हूँ। चलो, आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हो तो बोल दो। So guys, otherwise we will stop the session here. Reply guys, reply. Yes, I'll share the code with you. Today's code means my project code. I'll share it with you. Yes, I will share. About certificate, Tim will handle that. Certificates will be provided to you guys. Don't worry about that. and just try to complete that project. The main part was the transitions and hover effects. That is, I have explained to you. And just be careful while you are creating a divisions. And multiple divisions at a time you are creating. Okay, team will ask. Team will answer these questions. Apply for internship. Okay. Which payments are you talking about? I'm not talking about any payments. Yes, do complete that project because portfolio is website which will be very useful for you. Whenever you made some projects, you can add on that, Hannah, and you can make some changes to my website also, like some other animations, like some other designs. So it will be great for me. And when once you completed, na, just pin me that I have completed. So मुझे वो एक खुशी मिलेगी कि आपने किया है. So let's just stop here. Okay. Yes, this was a great experience. Yes, this was great experience for me also. Thank you. Thank you so much. Don't call me ma'am, yaar.